Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a SolidWorks tutorial. We will discuss another a simple way to go around with SolidWorks. Let's go on File, New. Let's wait a bit. Parts. Okay. And check the option. Documentary properties, unit. Let's put it as in inches. Put it OK. Let's put it, we go by front plane, and then sketch, and then circle, dimension, let's say about 2 or 1.5 inches. Automatically it will regenerate. Okay, and then maybe we put it as 1.01 inch, and then regenerate the model with the current value. It generate, and then put OK and close the dimension, and then we go on the polygon, press the center, and there's a polygon. It's 6-sided, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then close the polygon, and press the bottom one. Let's do it as a horizontal. Automatically it moves on a horizontal flat surface. And then let's put the dimension to be 1.5 or maybe 1.35. Now we have, looks like a nut, or the head of a nut, where we extrude balls in the middle, mid-plane. Let's say about 0.5 inches. Voila, it's more nice, like the nut of a bolt. And then we peel it by 0.1 or maybe 0.2 inches on all sides. Okay, then let's draw a circle on this area that is normal to the sketch. Then press the inside part of the circle. Oh no, just sketch it first. Sketch here, and then sketch. Now press to convert to entities. So you see that there is a black circle. Then offset, what maybe let's say 0.15. Okay. Then extrude the base boss 2, 1 inch. And then it merged to as a result. Then so it will merge from the other solid. Check it now. Then insert a picture with a thread. Use a extruded thread. See, it shows the thread automatically, the preview. Well, I need the thread going on up to here. So let's put it more. See, now it shows all the thread, and let's put it as a cut thread. Cut thread shows the cutting into the thread onto the diameter of the small pipe, and now it shows the exact thread showing the cutting the thread into the pipe. Okay. Let's mirror it at the front. Mirror the base plane at the front plane, and then pictures to mirror, or the object will be the thread itself and also the extruded boss. Okay, now it's I wanted to copy the pipe itself, but not the thread itself. So let's do the mirror. So the mirror base or the plane, which we choose the front plane, and the pictures to mirror is the post extrude. No need to copy the thread itself, because it doesn't allow the solid, doesn't allow it. So let's do it that way, and then now we can now insert the thread itself. Press this small the edge itself, and then and the thread method will be cut thread, and the height will be the same as the other height on the other side. It's 11.75. So just put OK. Now it's all full threaded right now, and it's more nicer to look at it. Let's do again this one. It's supposed to be chamfer first, so let's put it as 1.10 chamfer or 0.05. Oops, 0.05. The unit is in inches. So now it's more better. Okay, let's do it again. Let's remove it. Now insert pictures, then thread. Then now it shows automatically, and then push the OK, and then it shows now the thread itself. Same as here, we have to put a chamfer that is 0.05. It's good. And then insert the picture thread. Press this side of the edges, and now it shows all of them with a thread in it. Press OK. Now it's all full threaded. You can see that the edge of the thread is more nicer than a while ago. So I went back just to show you that it will be more nicer to have a thread that is with a jumper in it. So let's put a color in advance. Press advance, then browse, look for metal, that is brass or bronze or copper. So I choose brass. See, and press OK. Now it's more nicer to look at it.